To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Guys, sorry for no video yesterday, but I needed to jump straight away into trading into my Discord. Whoever is subscribed on my Patreon or through Twitch, I needed to help my guys out because when the Wants to Watch supply came, we needed to start trading, and we made freaking mad profits. As you can see, a lot of good feedback from my subs. Some are over 2.7 transfer profits right now. The trades that we made were just amazing. I have posted it all on Twitter, so if you're interested in that, like, the players sold instantly, and basically the method was just buying low-end in-demand cards that don't have a lot of competition on their position. Remember, we always diversify, so you can see Malkuit right here in Chilwell, but these aren't the only two cards that I was buying. I sold most of the cards I already bought. The only ones that I'm still not stuck with because they're selling nicely at a very almost the double price that I got them. They're selling very nicely even today. So basically, guys, remember, whenever there's supply, look at the low end market, and new people that came into the market started buying these cards. That's why they went up. But enough of this today, guys. We just got an announcement about Ansu Fati being the player of the month of La Liga, and since this happened, there's quite a lot of patterns right now that are moving, so we're gonna go through those. But of course, guys, this is unofficially currently an 86 rated card that's gonna be provided in the game. This is what Footdonk has said on Twitter. He's very reliable with these leaks, so it might be the truth that we get an 86 rated Ansu Fati, and an 86 rated would just look sick. It would be probably one of the best left wing cards. And as I said, I think I said this to you guys over on Friday, like not Friday, Thursday, when I made the video. Just go in the fodder, guys. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out. I feel like the fodder is already rising, but we needed such a card to start those fodder movements, and I do think as soon as it drops, that can go even higher. Of course, don't overhype it. If you don't get these cards close to the values that they were, the fodder cards, of course, close to the values that they were on Thursday or Friday, I wouldn't buy them. Always check on Footman their price point and what they're going at to just assess under their graph if they're a good buy or not. Anyways, for Ansu Fati, I do think that what could happen to his 81 rated inform is that he can get panic sold as soon as it's announced. You guys will be able to snipe it for a little bit lower as soon as that happens, and I don't think he will get much affected by it, just because the 86 rated player of the month, if it comes out, has to be so much more expensive, so not that many people can afford him, and they will just jump into the inform and start buying him back, and he will go up in value. Now, I don't know what the panic sell price will be, but I'm definitely waiting for EA to release that SBC out. Remember, if EA already released the SBC, I didn't know, because at the moment of me recording this video, it's not out yet. So yeah, basically this and the fodders are very good looks, and also Alba has a green link to him, but he was going for 35k yesterday, if I remember correctly. Yes, he was, and right now he's 42. There's already hype going on him. If you can snipe him maybe on 40k, might be worth the risk, but right now he's already getting that freaking hype that would get the hyperlink to Fati on the left side field. Okay, guys, we have to look also at the team of the week 1, because there's quite a few things that happen. Lozano is still rising nicely, Upamecano is rising nicely, but Fati, probably because of the player of the month, has gone in a downtrend. Luckily, we've sold all the Fatis. If you were also in the Twitch stream, I have told every single one of my viewers that I went out at 29 to 30k of value, so I've lost like a k or two per card, which is a loss that I take because I generated those coins very quickly on other investments, so that is no worries. But you guys need to remember to just cut your losses as soon as you know that the card can go lower, and right now it's lower. We predicted this, and it's going in a more downtrend. It could potentially go even slightly more lower before rebounding after, and of course if the panic hits the market. Another thing is, I already invested in the team of the week too. I bought a few chill will at 13k yesterday when the supply hit. I sniped them. It was very good price point to go in, and basically I already sold them today, most of it at 18k. So that 5k profit per card was very good right now. Did buy all of the fodder cards that I was talking about already in my previous video that I released on Thursday. If you haven't watched that one yet, make sure to watch it. Also, the M-Forms I already bought. They're a bit up right now. I went in on Hernandez under 90k, and I went in on Sanchez under 55k, which was very good during this supply. I think they'll keep low into tomorrow as well. So these are the prices that these cards should stay focused on, even San Maximan, all of these cards even into Sunday. But from Sunday on, I can see most of these cards rise up gradually into Thursday, where I do predict we could be making some good profits out of these cards. Now, a thing that I also was talking about on my Twitch stream is about the meta players, and you guys asked me when to buy Neymar. He was like, when I started streaming, he was like 1 million exactly. Right now, I'm seeing a small dip again. He was 1.12 this morning, but he's still higher than he was. You were asking me about Van Dijk. I remember him being under 500k for 80 or something. Right now he already risen. Yesterday he was 525. Now he's down back because more people are opening packs, more people are trying to get the latest ones to watch us. But all in all, these cards into Wednesday should be rising, the most meta ones. So if anyone wanted to keep them for your team, if anyone wanted to go in cards like Messi and all of these cards that are more expensive, the time to buy was yesterday, right before the ones to watch, because we saw a very lower point than usual, and that was due because people expected a lot of supply, and basically when the supply hit, these cards weren't affected as much as the other ones. So basically that's why the metas started rebounding. Anyways, guys, what I was trying to tell you guys today here is that the Fati should be out, and still we should focus maybe some at the fodder value. Don't invest everything you had in the fodder valued cards. I do believe that they will be good buys, but I would suggest always keep 50% of your coinage liquid. I have every single fodder card stored in my club waiting for that boom. I don't think Fati will be the key moment that will bring these cards like double up in price or anything like that, but they will gradually start rising from here just because more in demand SBCs will be dropping. If you have any questions, guys, write them down below. The next stream will be again on Monday from Friday. Streams on Twitch 5:30 p.m. UK time. So if you need anything, guys, make sure to stop there, and I'll see you on Monday. Cheers.